Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, I'm looking at gold here and I've got it open on a 5-minute time frame. Let me just get rid of this and I'll show you what I've done. I'm just looking at this price action at the moment and wondering whether we're going to see this roll over. Now we've got this 5-minute imbalance here that I would like to see price trade back up into this balance area and see if it rolls over here and we see a downward trend forming. Right, I want to see something like, you know what I mean, lower low. It's not a very good trend, is it? But I want to see a lower low I should say, lower high, you know, that kind of thing. If we see a lower high forming here and this rolls over, that could be a cue to short it. Now I'm just watching it as we trade into. We've got the New York open. This is it over here. I'm reluctant to get involved here. I know. See how it's sort of, it's traded south around the Asian close, right? So we've got this rotation. Here's the imbalance. And I want to see it move back up in around through here. And that could be an opportunity. Let's just take it back out. This is what I'm seeing on the weekly. I'm interested in these orange lines. Right, so we opened, see this is the weekly open, this dotted line or dashed line. So we opened and traded up and then traded south early in the week, Monday. So that's why I'm thinking we could see this short. A bit of an undecided candle, it's a bit of a doji. We've got this daily order block sitting under here. Okay, daily bullish order block, and there's room for this to trade back down into it. This is a weekly time frame. So I've marked up this high back here. And this one back here. So we've got this range that I'm interested in between these orange lines. So that's the weekly. If we go down to the daily, this is this daily bullish order block here that I'm thinking could be a target. Trade back down into it. And it seems to coincide with the 4H. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But on the daily time frame, this level is a target for a short. But have a look at this price action. See lower high here, lower low on the daily. That's giving me reason to think that we could get a short out of this. Back to the 4H. This is what I'm seeing here now with all that higher time frame marked up. We've got this candle back here on the 4H. Okay, support level nested with the daily. That's going to be my target. Then we've got this balance area in through here, a target 1 if you will. Now on the 4 hour we've got this low break of structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower than this low. I want to get involved. I'm going to short it. If we go down to the 15 with all of that marked up, actually 15 minute we've got this price gap, but on the 5 minute that's what it looks like. So I'm interested to see if this trades back up, looking to rebalance, and then we get a lower high setting up in here. That would be my cue. So guys, I mean, what else can I say about it? We go down to the 5M and get a bit closer to the action. That's kind of where I started the video. Here's this 5-minute imbalance in through here. What I'm doing is picking up this thin candle. See how we've got this balance area up here where there's more or less an even number of buy and sell activity. And then we get this bearish imbalance where it's majority the orders are sell orders. Trades back up here. It doesn't resolve this. So my entry, my ideal entry point is going to be, I'll take a short and I want to look for somewhere in here, something like that. That would be it. Stop above here. There's a risk involved, of course. It could trade north and take out the stop, but that's the risk. I like the chart pattern here that I'm seeing. You know, we've got this weekly open, and here's another thing too. If we go back to the 4H, when I see anything trading on a Monday, opening bearish, and then it, just grab my pencil, weekly open was here, right, on Monday, it trades south, it traps short traders in, then it spikes up and takes out buy-side liquidity. This could be setting up for a weekly candle, a bearish weekly candle. Monday, it takes out liquidity. That's smart money, possibly, right, loading up to short this. Trades off, we get a pullback, rejection under this weekly open, And that's what I'm saying, like if it holds under here, if it trades back up, fills that imbalance and then rolls over, that could be an opportunity for the rest of the week, quite possibly. In fact, I would probably go in with a wider stop loss. Now, because we've got, I mean, you want to be careful because we've got this 4-hour imbalance sitting in here. So watch out we don't spike all the way back up. It's a volatile market and gold is not an easy trade, guys. In any case, look, that's my take. What else can I say about it? I like the idea short. Click the links below, comment, smash the likes, do all that. Let's go back down to the 5M to wrap this up. There it is there, trades up, takes out liquidity. See, and now we're currently rejecting under the weekly open. And I don't want to drag that video out, but you can see these shaded zones. There's some target levels down there. Stop loss, well, I mean, yeah, I'll probably go pretty tight with it. I'm just going to go above this range mid that I pulled across here. Anyway, guys, look, that's my take on gold. That's it. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.